sister stole my wedding, literally. My wedding was 2 weeks away when I received a call from my younger sister, Andrea. Don't take this the wrong way, but I think you're making a mistake marrying Mario, she said. I didn't pay much attention to it. She'd never been a fan of Mario, but I thought it was just her opinion. However, 3 days before the ceremony, I got a bombshell. Mario had canceled the wedding. I can't marry you, I'm sorry, he said, avoiding my gaze. I was devastated, but what really destroyed me was seeing the photos a friend sent me days later. Mario and Andrea, dressed as a bride and groom, standing at the altar. I didn't understand anything. My sister, my own flesh and blood, had taken my fiancé and married him on what was supposed to be my special day. She didn't answer my calls, and my parents awkwardly asked me to drop the subject. A month later, Andrea showed up at my door crying. I'm sorry, it wasn't love, it was selfishness, she said, trying to justify her betrayal. I looked at her and closed the door. It wasn't enough. Some things can't be forgiven, and that was the last time I spoke to her.